The 2025 Toyota Veloz arrives with a bold new attitude, a vehicle that redefines what a modern family crossover can be. From the very first glance, the design grabs attention. The front fascia now wears Toyota's confident new identity, a wide chrome grille framed by sharp LED headlights and a sculpted bumper that gives the Veloz a premium, muscular stance. Every line feels deliberate, aerodynamic, and infused with energy. Move to the side and the floating roof design gives it a sleek, dynamic profile, while 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels add that sporty edge. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a compact SUV made for people who want style and practicality in one package. The rear is equally bold, with a full-width LED light bar that glows with futuristic precision and a clean tailgate design that perfectly complements the overall modern aesthetic. Inside, the Veloz feels like stepping into a higher class of comfort. Toyota has transformed the cabin into a tech-driven sanctuary. Soft touch materials, silver accents, and ambient lighting make every journey feel refined. The 9-inch floating touchscreen takes center stage, crisp, responsive, and loaded with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The fully digital driver's display gives you real-time information with stunning clarity. Space is one of the biggest strengths of the Veloz. With its flexible 7-seat configuration, you can adapt the cabin to fit your lifestyle, fold down the third row for more luggage space or keep it open for family trips. The second row seats slide and recline, ensuring everyone gets first-class comfort. It's perfect for long drives, family adventures, or just city cruising in pure comfort. Under the hood, the 2025 Veloz continues to deliver Toyota's trusted reliability. Powered by a 1.5-liter dual VVTi engine producing around 106 horsepower and paired with a smooth CVT transmission, it offers the ideal balance between performance and efficiency. The throttle response is refined, and city handling feels light yet confident. The suspension setup provides a smooth, stable ride, even on rough roads, perfect for everyday driving in urban or rural settings. Safety, as always, is a Toyota hallmark. The new Veloz comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, offering advanced features like pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Add to that a reinforced body structure, 6 airbags, ABS, and traction control, and you get peace of mind in every mile. Technology is where the Veloz truly stands out. Wireless charging, automatic climate control, push-start ignition, a 360-degree camera system, and multiple USB ports all make life easier and smarter. It's designed for the modern family that demands more convenience, more innovation, more confidence. On the road, the Veloz feels composed and confident. Whether weaving through traffic or gliding on the highway, the steering feels precise and light. The cabin remains quiet and insulated, letting you enjoy your music or conversation without distraction. It's not built to race, but to deliver a refined, stable, and enjoyable driving experience that never feels tiring. Compared to rivals like the Honda BR-V or Mitsubishi Xpander, the Veloz feels a notch higher in sophistication and tech. It's not just about moving people, it's about moving them in style, safety, and comfort. The fuel economy remains impressive, around 16 to 18 kilometers per liter, depending on driving conditions, making it one of the most practical